Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to split date and time on Excel. If you would like to split the date and time from its combined column on Microsoft Excel, then you can use this simple formula to get the solution. Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I have a date and time column that I have to split into date and time on separate column. First, we have to make the date and time format properly on each column. So first I have to select the date column, then right click and click on the format cell. You have to select the date and which format we need to use in the date. So I am choosing this, then click OK. Then you have to go to time column. You have to select the entire time column. You have to right click and click on the format cell. Then you have to choose the time and what time format you need. That format you have to select and click OK. That's it. Now we have to split the date. We have to use the formula, enter the equal to int. Then you have to open bracket. Here you have to select the row what you would like to separate the date. Then you have to close bracket, then hit enter. Now the date is separated. Now we have to split into the time. So we have to select the time column. Here you have to enter the equal to. Then we have to select the combined row. Then we have to enter the minus. Then we have to select the date row. This means we have to separate the date from the combined column. So we have to hit enter. That's it. Now the time has been separated. If you would like to apply this formula to all rows, then you have to select the rows and just drag it into the entire rows. That's it. In this way, you can split the date and time on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.